Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about SSL pinning bypass by using the Frida tool. So let's see how we can bypass SSL pinning. Before that we need to understand what is SSL pinning. If the SSL pinning is implemented in the application in the Android or iOS, or here we are talking about Android. So like we have Diva application, Square Bank application. So if the SSL pinning is implemented in the application, then we cannot intercept the request in the Burp Suite. Okay, so basically for the dynamic testing we need or we require the SSL pinning bypass, or we need the request of this application so that we can perform the dynamic testing. Okay, so if the SSL pinning is implemented, then we cannot intercept the request in the Burp Suite. But now we will see how we can bypass that SSL pinning to intercept the request in the Burp Suite. Let's see. First of all, we have to configure the proxy in Android. Go to setting, go to Wi-Fi and go to modify network, and here I already set up this IP address. It will be like that, none, and you have to click on manual. Then you have to give here IP address of your system. Suppose my IP is IP config, IP config. So my IP is 192.168.1.6. Okay, so here 192.1.8.1.6 is the IP address, my main operating system IP address, and the port number 8080. Just click OK. Now same IP address we have to configure in the Burp Suite. Click on proxy setting. Here I already set up, so click all interface, and here you have to click the IP address. Okay, 192.168.1.6 all interface request support invisible proxy. Click OK. That's it, we configure the proxy. Okay, now we need to connect the simulator by using the ADB. So ADB connect and the emulator IP address. The IP address is 192.168.1.12. 192.168.1.12. It's already connected. Now we have to run the Frida server in the emulator, and by using this shell. Okay, ADB shell, and here we are like we have the access, or we have the shell of the simulator. Now we will run the Frida server. Go to cd data directory. I already save like Frida server in this directory, do ls. So this is the Frida server ./Frida. Hit enter. Now my Frida is running in the emulator. Now we will run the SSL pinning script to bypass to capture the traffic in the Burp Suite. So for that, first of all, let's check the Frida SSL pinning script. So here you can see same on the code share, Frida code share website. You can get this universal Android SSL pinning bypass with Frida. Okay, just open this link and you will get this Frida script. Okay, and copy this and save it as a .js file. Okay, so I already saved here Frida SSL.js. Now let's see how we can bypass. Open the another CMD and use here command. You can see here we don't have any request. Now Frida -u -s f asim.jacker.diva. This is the package name of this application, and -l means listen. And now here we will give the okay, so -l, one second. So here we have the Frida SSL.js. Just drag drop in this terminal CMD. And -no auto reload, and here Burp Suite, and this is my application. Okay, I think package name is incorrect. Let's check the package name. This time we will check this insecure bank. Frida -ps -ua. So here we have com.android insecure bank.2. Okay, we will check this one. Let's remove this previous package and use the insecure bank package name. Hit enter. Yeah, application open. Burp Suite, here we didn't get anything. Now we will use the credential, any random credential. Click on login, and you can see here we are able to capture the request, the application request in the Burp Suite. We can send it to repeater. We can check the response also. Okay, so click forward. Okay, so this is how we can get the request in Burp Suite. Okay, so I don't have the correct credential of this, but this is how we can capture the request in the Burp Suite. Again send to repeater. Okay, it is taking time. So that's it. This is how we use the Frida tool to bypass the SSL pinning.